Gibby, let me say thank you to you and your staff for what you have done and is doing to eradicate the fear of the vaccine. I want to commend my seniors who attended over at First Baptist West with Dr. Woods, over at C.N. Jenkins with Dr. Cannon, and other community sites, and especially at Friendship with Dr. Jones. I was able to attend two of those sites, and on Saturday I received my second injection. Had no problems at all. Uh, on Saturday at 2 o'clock, Mrs. Virginia Keogh and I both met there. And I want to say to Gibby that the organizational structure was superb. Had no problems Saturday night, nor Sunday, or yesterday. And nor has Mrs. Virginia Keogh. So we are advocating and saying to our seniors to please do not neglect getting this vaccination and getting this shot. It's imperative that you do so. And I want to thank a young lady that's 93 years old that called me saying that she saw me on TV getting the injection. And because of that, she decided that if I could do it, she could do it also. So it's available, it's clean, it's not going to hurt you. I didn't have my arm was not sore or anything. So if I can do it, you can do it. So I'm asking all of my seniors, those who have some doubts about whether you should or should not, it's imperative for longevity. So I'm begging you to take the time to go. I talked to a young man this afternoon that's organizing the senior citizens' homes that he's going to be picking up residents on this afternoon and tomorrow to take to make sure that our people are getting the vaccination. So again, to Gibby and to her staff, to Dina and her staff, and to this board for encouraging our people, and especially our people of color. And I'm speaking specifically now to Black men and Black women to please go and participate in this process. So thank you, Mr. Chairman, for affording me the opportunity to share the good news of what can happen, what has happened, and what will happen. So Gibby came through with smiling colors, haven't had any problems yet. So I'm still saying to my seniors, especially my Black males and my Black women, to please get this injection and get there on time. They take you and guide you through the process without any problems at all. So I'm saying to us to continue the work. So longevity will be here for all of us. And we pray that this virus will soon be eliminated because of the efforts that has been put forth by our people here in Mecklenburg County. I was asking about the armed services, that group that directed the traffic. Who is that group of individuals?
We have two groups that are working with us. We've had a number of members of the National Guard who have been with us for some time now. In addition to that, they've been joined by Team Rubicon, which are retired volunteer military. So we have both of those groups working with us right now to help us out at both at Bojangles and at some of our community sites.
And so they're first class.
Absolutely.
With the utmost respect and securing you a safe injection and treating you with the kind of respect that you would hope you would get any place. So I'm saying again, thank you. So give that message to those young people for me, and to the board, thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. And I don't want to repeat what Commissioner Leek said, and she said it so eloquently. But I also am grateful that I was able to get the first shot, and I had the second one planned on February 11th. And I also want to join her in advocating for seniors to get this shot. We grew up with polio, and when we were very young, and I think my age was probably the last group that had polio, but we got vaccinations when we were young, but we saw friends who had polio. I think I had 7 or 8 of them who did, not only in their legs, but I had friends who had it in their arms and in their face. So it was kind of emotional to get the shot, and it was just very humbling. And because we all know people who have passed away, and I want to again say that the process was excellent. It was beyond excellent, and I was so impressed with how the National Guard helped us, and it went very quickly, and it was just perfect. I also want to thank. I received a message today. I saw it that some of the senior groups from Safe Alliance, from Safe Coalition, and from Action NC had volunteered to pay by themselves to pay and go canvass neighborhoods for seniors and to try to make them comfortable to go get the vaccine. And I just wanted to give them a shout out. That was wonderful. And a lot of those seniors I know well because I've attended many of their events, but they're going to start knocking on doors, and I thank them for that. But please get the shot, get the vaccine. And if you're not a senior, if you have seniors in your family or your neighbors, please encourage them to do so. And I'm very proud of Commissioner Leak did such a wonderful job, and she has really been advocating hard in the African American community, and we all need to do that. So that concludes my comments, Mr. Chairman. Thank you for letting me speak.